What's the meaning of cerebral? Cerebral. Cerebral.
Cerebral. Cerebral. The term cerebral refers to something related to the brain or intellect. It is typically used to describe a person who is highly intelligent, thoughtful, and analytical. Cerebral individuals tend to be focused on intellectual pursuits like studying, problem solving, and analysis. They may also be introspective and reflective, spending time thinking deeply about their own thoughts and emotions. Overall, the term cerebral connotes a sense of intellectualism and mental acuity.